Hello there! Today we're excited to introduce you to custom tags, a powerful feature designed to enhance your patient management process. Custom tags allows your practitioners to create colored tags to label and prioritize risk-managed patients. These features provide full flexibility within the platform for customization, enabling you to tailor the tags to meet your specific needs. Let me show you. When you create a new tag, you can select the color, adjust the saturation and lightness. It will auto-generate the color hex code, making it easy to copy if you're using it to create a tag in the same color. When you write the name of a tag, our system will automatically generate an alias for you. Each tag can have only one alias, which is used for API purposes and various integrations. Importantly, this alias is unique across your account and cannot be changed. Feel free to provide a description for the tag, explaining how it should be used. And the best part is that you can edit it at any time for maximum flexibility. For example, you can use custom tags for risk scoring. Imagine being able to quickly identify high-risk patients with a red tag, medium risk with orange, and low risk with green. In this way, patients tagged with higher risk scores can be dealt with immediate attention. You can also create custom tags for specific conditions, treatments, or any other criteria important to your healthcare business. Another use case could be tagging patients based on their treatment plans, such as blue tags for those undergoing physical therapy and yellow tags for those on medication management. You can also use custom tags to label payment status, like tagging patients as paid or unpaid. Or you can use it for a relationship tag to give you a panoramic view. This allows you to see not just their individual entities, but also their interconnections and how they are related. By using custom tags, you can streamline your workflow, improve communication among your team, and ensure that every patient receives the attention they need. It's all about making your healthcare business more efficient and effective. Go ahead and try it.